the video lecture on functions in C programming. Let us first understand what is the meaning of a function is. So it is a self-contained block of a code which is designed to perform a specific task. It is actually a building block of a modular programming which allows to write the code once and you can reuse the same code multiple times throughout the program. What are the different advantages that the function offers is a reusability. That means if you write the function, once you write the function, you can call it again and again in the program. So it is a reusable. Second is a modularity, and third is a debugging becomes easy when you write the functions. Now these are the key components of a function. The first one is a function declaration, which is also called as a prototype. This function declaration tells the compiler about the name of the function, the return type and the parameter before the function is used. The second important key component is a function definition, which actually contains the body of the code that executes when the function is called. And third is a function call, which is nothing but a statement that tells the program to execute the function. So here is a syntax of writing the function. So return type followed by function name followed by the parameter. So here is an example. So integer is a return type. That means this function add numbers is going to return an integer value. Add number is a function name, and a and b, they are representing the parameters which are of type integer. Now basically there are two types of a function. The one is called as a library functions, and the library functions which are also called as a predefined functions, and the another one is called as user defined functions. Now in the predefined functions or in library functions which are provided by C libraries, for example printf, scanf, these are the different functions, and the user defined functions are the custom functions which are created by the programmer for some specific needs or for some specific applications. Now let us understand the example for the function. So here I have written the code. Now here I have written the program for addition of the two numbers. Now in the first program, if you can see, I have not used any function. I have written the program by taking two numbers, and I am simply going to add the number and I am going to print the result without use of a function. So here I have used only one function, that is a main function, and in that I am going to take two numbers and I am going to add them. So I have written all the lines one by one in the main function. So let us first see the output of this same. So I am going to execute this and we'll check the output. Okay. So now let us enter the first number. Let's 2. Enter the second number is 3, and the output is 5. So this program is working fine, but here I have not used any function. Now we'll understand the use of the functions for the same program. So I have written the another function, another program by using the function. So let us understand that first. Here the function declaration is compulsory. So here I have declared the function. The name of the function is a sum. I have passed two parameters which are of type integer, that is a and b, and this function is going to return me the value, that is the addition of these two numbers, which is of integer type. So this is a function declaration. Then I have entered the first number, I have entered the second number, and now here I have given the function call. So add result sum num1 num2. So suppose my num1 is say 2, if my num1 is 2 and say my num2 is 3 suppose, then these two and 3, they will be passed as a parameter to the function, and the program control will go to this function definition. Now here the value of a, or the num1 value, that is a 2, is assigned to this a. So here a becomes 2 and this b becomes 3. Okay, and now the result is equal to a plus b, that means 2 plus 3. So result will contain 5, and my function is returning that 5 which is of type integer. So that result will be then assigned to this add result variable. Okay, and in the main program I am printing that value of the add result. So here if you can see, I have written a separate function named sum, which I can call it again and again as per my requirement. And it is, if you can see, this is also a modularity is there, and the debugging is also easier in this second case. So now let us run this program and let us check the output using these functions. So first number is 2, second number is 3, and if you can see, the result is 5. So this is how basically the function is used. So guys, if you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share the video with your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.